My name is Jennifer Cobbs and I'm a physician assistant with Dr. Randy Rudderman Plastic Surgery Office.
And I'm Mallory Hunter. I'm an RN with Dr. Randy Rudderman.
Today we're going to be working together to do some dermal filler and Botox injections on our lovely client here. And we're going to start by cleaning her skin and then you'll see all the fun as it goes. So right now we are lifting back the tissue. We wanted to provide her a little subtle lift with some volumization. So I'm just doing really small aliquots of product right into this layer to give her a little bit of lift. So she just feels a little pinch, but you're seeing that tissue kind of just hold up nice and gently. You'll also notice a little bit of some contour creation. I have a client with a little bit of thinner skin and I try to do smaller aliquots spread out because it's going to soften and look really natural on her. So right now Mallory's using a micro cannula to inject into the medial deep fat pad of the cheek. So she's pushing a small amount of product in a retrograde fashion to create and lift this medial cheek area here. You should do a great job. Good. And just pat it down with your finger.
Just finished our treatment on our beautiful client, and this is our finished product right now, but it will actually improve as time continues on. So once again, my name is Mallory Hunter. I'm an RN and I've been injecting for 7 years.
And my name is Jen Cobbs and I'm a physician assistant. I've been injecting almost 9 years.